Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my first makeup tutorial of 2019 to share with you guys. Today I did my everyday makeup routine. It's really simple. I switched up a few things that I used to do from last year because it's a new year, new me. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos coming soon. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so first thing I do before I do my makeup is I always throw my hair up in a bun because I don't like getting foundation in my hair, making me look like I'm an old ass lady and shit. So I'm just throwing it up because it's raggedy day anyway. So here I am, not prepared, couldn't find my foundation. So I got my dirty ass beauty blender and I'm gonna be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour full coverage foundation. And I got this little sample size in an Ipsy bag for this month, and they gave me the color light neutral. I kind of just spot it all over my face, and then I go in with my damp beauty blender and I start blending out. And I'm gonna take my little elf mirror because I can't see a damn thing, sorry. So I know it looks like I'm pounding the shit out of my face with that beauty blender, but I'm really not because it's actually really soft. I got this from Christmas. It's kind of all bit up at the bottom, which you guys cannot see, thank God, from my daughter getting a hold of my makeup. But it's really soft. I'll try to find where my mom got it for me. She got me like a pack of 3. They come in like 3 different sizes. Sorry if you guys hear music in the background. I'm watching Beetlejuice at the same time. And I always do my eyelids. I know a lot of people don't put foundation on their eyelids, but I do. I don't know why. Okay, so next I'm going to take my small beauty blender and I'm going to take my CoverGirl Eyelash All Day Concealer in Fair Clair. Yeah, my camera didn't want to focus on that. And I'm just going to put it underneath my eye, and it never wants to come out of the thing. I'm going to put some underneath my eyes, and I'm going to put some on my forehead and down the bridge of my nose and on my chin. So I'm gonna blend it out with this small little egg beauty blender. It's sturdy as hell too. This concealer is not the best concealer, but I'm having trouble really looking for a full coverage concealer. So if you guys know any, then let me know down in the comments below. So next I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia dip brow and start doing my brows. Oh wait, but I forgot to actually bake my face. So I'm gonna take my Airspun loose face powder and my little beauty blender and actually bake my face. I'm just gonna take what's excess on the lid and just put it in all the places that I concealed. Girl, how did you miss this step? Okay, now we can go in and start doing the brows. I used the dip brow in medium brown from Anastasia. Not focusing again, sorry. And I just take the spoolie side and I start combing out my brows into the shape that I want them in. They're like freshly cleaned and everything. So I go in and I start with the under part of my brow and I start lining that part, and then I will go in and start doing the top. Let me just move in a little bit closer for you guys. I try not to do a harsh line in the front because I like that ombre effect. I'm gonna brush out anything that just looks too harsh. I don't like my eyebrows to look super, super dark, but I do like them to look like they're a little bit natural. I feel like my brows take the longest time than any other part of my makeup. I gotta go in there, gotta do the lines, gotta conceal them, gotta freaking do the lines over if I messed up. Oh my god. Why can't I just have nice natural brows? And then I'd be forgetting, like, oh shit, I didn't even do the other side of my eye. Me doing some stupid faces. I don't know why I was doing that. My right eyebrow always comes out looking weird in the front. I love my left eyebrow. It's so, like, nice. There I go. Not prepared again. Looking for my shit. So I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I'm going to take my e.l.f. concealer brush and start cleaning up my brows. And I usually just put some on the back of my hand, and it never wants to come out of the tube. And then I realized I put like way too much on my hand. And I'm just gonna go in and start cleaning up the brows. And your girl is tired, excuse me. I was like trying to watch Beetlejuice at the same time. I always clean up both brows underneath first, and then I will do the top. Sorry. I'm getting tired over here. Okay, bad bitch with the brows. So I'm gonna take the rest of the concealer and I'm gonna put that on my eyelids as like a base for my eyeshadow. I no longer use eye primer, I just use concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Farrah brush that I got from an Ipsy bag, and I'm gonna take my e.l.f. News Rolled Gold palette. And as I struggle to open it, I'm gonna take the first color. It's just like a really, I don't know, like a white eggshell color. I'm gonna take that on my brush and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. It's a nice matte color. You can use it like under your brow, you can use it inner corner. I love it. This is supposed to be a replica of the Naked 3 palette. It doesn't have names on it though, so I can't tell you because I don't even remember what it's called in the Naked 3 palette. This Farrah brush I got in my Ipsy bag is super comfortable and soft. It is a 35E brush. So usually I wear eyeliner, but not today. I'm just gonna use mascara. So I'm gonna go in with my They're Real by Benefit, and I'm gonna take my eyelash curler and just curl my eyelashes a little bit. And just make sure y'all don't pinch the shit out of your eye like I did. I didn't try to like show it, but it really hurt. I'm right there. So like I said, my They're Real, and I have no idea how my daughter's hair tie got on my thing, but we're just gonna throw that to the side. And I'm just gonna go in and lightly coat it the first time. My eyelashes are not long. I have a really bad habit of pulling off my mascara instead of just washing it off. And I really need to stop that because I want some nice long lashes. I usually wear falsies on top of this, but I chose to not wear them today because I actually was not going anywhere. Sorry. And I ended up getting some on my lid, and I hate when that happens. This mascara is amazing. I got it for Christmas from my aunt. She got me the double pack, which comes with a mini one and it comes with a big one. And it's the best mascara I've ever tried, like ever. There actually is one other mascara that's really good, but I don't remember the name of it. I think it's by CoverGirl also. It was in like that yellow cheetah print bottle. Okay, don't mind my freaking eye right there. It looks really weird. So next I'm going to take my Firma 102 brush I got from an Ipsy bag, and I'm going to take my e.l.f. bronzer palette. I'm going to use this first color right here. It's like a really brown with some sparkle in it, and I'm just gonna kind of contour. I don't really know how to contour, but I'm gonna bronze up my face. Yo, this brush is like super soft. Oh my god, it is amazing. I think everybody needs to have this brush in their makeup collection. Just do the cheekbones, then I'm gonna do the forehead. I just try to do really subtle because, like I said, I don't really know how to contour, so I don't want to make it too harsh, and I really use a light brown because I don't like to be super dark. And I'm going to try to get that double chin to look like a regular chin. Okay, so now we're going to go in and we're going to take the same brush and we're going to wipe off all that powder from under our eyes where we concealed. Okay, so next we are gonna go in with the Becca Highlight, and this is in Opal. This is the liquid highlight, and I'm just gonna put it on my highlight points, whatever you call them. And I put it a little bit on my nose and on my cupid bow. I'm gonna take my little beauty blender. I'm gonna take the side that's clean and start blending it all out. Okay, girl, look at that highlight. Yes, fleeky. Does anybody even say fleek anymore? Let me know. I should really up my vocabulary nowadays. Okay, so I totally forgot. I go in with a clear mascara to set my brows down. This is like really dirty now, so I need to get another one. So next I'm gonna go and do my lips. I'm gonna use MAC Subculture to line my lips. And I love this lip liner. It used to be my mom's, and then I took it because I really wanted it. So next I'm gonna grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Stripped. And y'all, I found this at TJ Maxx for $7. I really want to do a TJ Maxx makeup haul because they have a lot of really nice stuff there for really cheap. I thought my kid was waking up, that's why I looked over there. But next I'm going to take a little bit of the concealer I had on the back of my hand still, and take my concealer brush and just clean up a little bit around my lips. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to be a part of my diary. I have a lot more content coming for you guys. All the products that I used today will be listed down in the description below, so have a nice day.